All right, you are doing great. So this is a video for to understand merging. Okay, see, we had seen commit, right? So commit will do what? Like when we create different versions through commit, we can maintain a history of it, right? Git basically maintains a history of it. Now we'll try to understand merge. Okay, merge is like this is a particular branch that is growing. Okay, so main is having version 2. Okay, dev is having version 3, right? So at some point of time we have to merge them, right? So when we have to merge two different branches, okay, so here we have what? See, if I will just see over here, right now we are at what? Main branch. Okay, if I want to use which dev branch, right? So for dev branch I have to do what? I have to write over a git. I can use switch or I can use checkout. Okay, let's say I use checkout. Okay, dev. Okay, you can also use switch, right? So now it is switched to dev. Okay, now if I will check what git log. Okay, so I have three versions over here. All right, so that means dev branch is having three versions, main branch is having two versions, right? Now if I want main branch should also have all the versions that dev is having, again I'm repeating my words, what I want that main branch should be updated with these versions. Okay, because right now main branch is having only two versions, so I have to do merge. So when we talk about merge basically exists of two types. First, fast forward merge that we will discuss right now. Fast forward merge is what? When the branch being merged has not been diverged from the branch it is being merged into. What it means? If you see over here, there is no divergence. Okay, it is what? Here we are in the same thing. Okay, like dev is what? Dev is just the extension of main. Okay, the version v3 is what? It's extension of main. It is not diverged. It is not like that it is being diverged like this. Okay, so when it will be diverged like this, okay, that will, and then we merge them, that is could be done through three-way merge. Okay, but when it is following the same, not diverged from the branch, it is being not diverged from the branch, it is being merged into. Okay, so we have to do what? We have to use over here fast forward merge. Okay, now how to perform fast forward merge? That's what we have to see, right? So let's go back to our this thing, our terminal, right? So we are right now at dev branch, right? This is our coding environment. This is also showing we are at dev branch. Okay, let's make update over here. Let me make 4 over here. Okay, once I will just make a change in the code. I have to do what? I have to add it to the staging area. So to add into a staging area, what we will do? We will just use over here git add dot. That means whatever the file exists, the add all the files into the staging area. Thereafter git commit, what we do? Message m, let's say version 4. Okay, so this is my version 4 now. Okay, done. Now let's say git log. Okay, so we have 4 versions in dev. Okay, and if I will switch to git checkout, what? Main. Okay, so if I will switch to main, then what happen? Here we have what? Git log. So here we have what? Only two versions, right? Now we'll merge and see what happens. Okay, so right now we are at main. Okay, two versions. So how can we merge it? So for merging it, we have to be in the main branch. Okay, because what are we planning? We are planning to merge main into dev. Okay, or I want the dev entity to be into the main, right? So I have to merge this thing. So what I have to do right over here? Git merge dev. Okay, so it's showing fast forward merge. Done. Now let's see if I will check git log. Okay, before doing git log, let's see over here. It is main branch showing what? Version 4. All right. So now if I will check it out, git what? Log, right? So in main branch also we have what? 4 versions. Okay, and in dev branch also we have what? 4 versions, right? So what exactly happens over here? When we were having in dev branch, right, I did what? I just did a commit over here, and this is my commit ID. Okay, now this commit ID basically is created. That means we created over here a new version 4 having a commit ID initially. Okay, this is what we created. Thereafter, when we created this, the dev thing get connected over here. That means dev thing with the head moves up to here. Okay, when dev moves here, thereafter when we perform the merge, right, this guy will do what? Will also move over here. That means we can just see like this. This I will rotate over here. Okay, right. So now we can say that my main is also connected to dev like this. Okay, so this is a current situation we have. Okay, so this is called merging. If you see our dev and main both are having the same thing, head is connected to both. Okay, main as well as dev. Okay, if I will switch to what? Dev. Okay, and then I'll check git log. That means I am now, my head is connected to dev as well as main. Okay, so it's like now my head is connected to both. You can say over here dev as well as main. Okay, right now in current status I have connected the head to the dev, but whenever I want, if I switch, head will be connected to main as well, because both are representing the version 4. Okay, so this is what our fast forward merge. Okay, in upcoming session we'll see three-way merge, and like kind of we'll also work on remote repo. Thank you everyone. We'll see next.